Hey, what up guys? So we're here at the X Muffler with my dad's pickup truck. It's a 97 L200. And right now we're gonna be taking off the stock muffler and changing it into a Borla Pro XS. And I'm a bit excited or worried, but let's go. Alright, so you can already see the disappointment by the look of her face. Alright, so while the car is being lifted in the air, I think it's a great time to check some chassis rust. So far, so good. Given that it's an old truck, Japanese steel does not disappoint. Although we're gonna need some undercoating or rust proofing stuff. Here at the front section though, you can see that the tie rod is busted. The other arm needs some replacing, although the other side looks stiff. But that's good. Alright, so now they're lining up the Borla. I think it's gonna be sick though. I hope it sounds good. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep my hopes up. I hear it's pretty sick. So this is the stock muffler. I mean, it's quite heavy though. So the pros in this, I'm gonna be saving up some weight, less back pressure, probably more HP, but who knows. I'm just here for the sound, so let's hear it. Yeah. I mean, it sounds sick than stock, but I'm not quite satisfied yet, so I'm gonna be taking off the muffler tip and see how it sounds. Let's go. Now that sounds so much better. I give it 8/10.